and continue our program. Since we have a button element in our HTML, we have to come over here and declare another variable of btn equal to document.getElement by id check, which is our button ID. So after having these two guys ready, let's come over to our message variable and assign an empty string to it. Then let's write our event listener. So I will say btn dot add event listener. In parentheses, I will say click, comma. Then we're going to have our function of action. Then below it, we're going to declare a function and give it action. Then after that, we have our curly braces. Then we're going to copy everything we have here and paste it inside here. So the last thing we need to do is to display our result. So to display our result, we'll go back to our HTML. Below the button, we're going to have an HT and we're going to give it an ID of result. So we'll come over here and write document.getElement by ID result dot inner text is equal to. So for this, we're going to call upon our message. So I'm going to write message. So the reason we did it this way is that we don't want to be repeating this document.getElement by ID every time inside of each statement. So we made it in a way that whatever the outcome may be, it will always be assigned into this message, so we can always print it here. So the last thing we need to do is to bring our H and our message into our function. So I'll paste it inside of our function, then we run our code. So here I'm going to write 15. So when we run this code, I'm not yet eligible to vote. But what if I'm 22 years? So I'm eligible to vote. And if I'm 200 years old, I'm too old to vote, I should enjoy my rest. What we just experienced is the power of conditional statements. If you learned something in this video, I want you to like, comment, and hit the follow button for the next lesson.